Aries, hi, welcome to Gold Tarot. Today I'm gonna do a reading for you guys. Thank you so much, guys, for your liking, subscribing, and sharing. Thank you so much for your beautiful comments and your love on my channel. If you guys are new, please subscribe to my channel. It helps me a lot, and I'm wishing you so many blessings, happiness, abundance, prosperity, health, wealth, so many good vibes from me to you guys. So yeah, Aries, let's start your reading. Let's see what is coming for the Aries people for the week of 19th through 5th of October, 19th through 25th. Okay, so wow, let's see what is coming for the Aries. This is just the insights so that you can stay away all the negative things which can be a blockage in the way of your happiness and success, and so that you can do all those things which can be useful and helpful for you to achieve all the blessings and happiness from the universe. Okay, Aries? So yeah, guys, let's cut the deck for you. This is for the Aries people. Ooh. Yeah, okay. Strength. So this is the Leo energy. Okay, I hope you can see the cards. Yeah, strength, we know that Leo is represented by strength in the tarot, so maybe some of you are dealing with a Leo, but let's see. Seven of Cups, Three of Wands, Four of Wands. Wow. Okay. Eight of Swords, Fool, right in the heart of your spread. This is the Aries energy. For some of you it is Aquarius. Okay, so Aquarius and the Leo, these are the natural 1/7 of each other. Four of Pentacles, King of Pentacles, Earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, and Virgo. It is, you are very prominent in your reading. This is the Emperor energy, and we know Emperor is Aries. Okay, wow. Transformation, Scorpio energy. Okay, wow. So wow, so bottom of the deck we have the Four of Cups energy, which is for some of you, like, opportunity is in front of you and someone is not looking at that. Someone is actually ignoring that, rejecting that, avoiding that, neglecting that. Okay, so if you want love, just pay attention and be in receiving energy, because this is, I'm feeling someone is rejecting the love offer. Okay, so with the Leo card, with the Strength card, I'm feeling that whoever is this person, if this is you, you're very strong, you're very confident, you want to build something new for yourself with the Fool energy and with this transformation. Yeah, definitely you want something new. And if this is your person, I'm feeling that they are trying to be the stronger person. Okay, they are trying to be, yeah, they're trying to gain that courage so that they can tell you about what they are going through. Okay, with the Seven of Cups, Three of Wands, and the Four of Wands, I'm feeling that this person is using their mind for making different ideas and thoughts, and different they are actually thinking and contemplating so that they can tell you the right thing, like, which you cannot deny, which by listening that, by hearing them, you can trust them. So they are actually thinking about different outcomes. They are in the thinking process. Yeah, and wow. Okay, and with the Three of Wands, they are also planning travel with the Three of Wands energy. If you're expecting this person, they are coming towards you, and maybe for the marriage, maybe for some of you, you are going to meet this person on a party, okay, or something like that, a little get together. But this is like a big party or marriage or some kind of ceremony. Okay, so yeah, with the Eight of Swords, a Fool, and the Four of Pentacles are telling me that this person really stuck in the society law and that traditions of the society. They are really stuck. they want to come out of it, and that's why they are building up the courage. Okay, and with the Fool card, they really want to take a risk for you, because they can't let you go. They can't let you go still with the Four of Pentacles energy. Okay, they can't let you go. With the King of Pentacles, Emperor, and the Transformation energy, I'm feeling that this person is trying to gain stability, because they know that you are very stable with this Emperor energy. You are more stable than them. Okay, and they are trying to be at your level. And with the King of Pentacles, they want stability in their life, so that they can offer you the new beginnings with this Transformation card. This is the vibe I'm getting, but let's see. Strength for the Aries, please. What is the strength here for the Aries, please, for the 19th through 25th of October? Patience, another major arcana. Wow, Sagittarius energy, Four of Cups, Two of Wands. Wow. So yeah, you are not looking at this person. You are busy in manifesting your happiness with the Ten of Cups energy present here. This is you. You are manifesting your happiness, your joy, pleasure, everything for yourself. Maybe you have had done so many things for this person, and now you're not looking at this person. Wow. So whoever is this person, universe is giving them another chance, and with you. Okay, because they are now asking for the second chances from the universe. And with the Four of Cups energy, I'm feeling that you are not looking at them. Yeah, you are not looking at them. You are in that mode of, yeah, I just don't want to look at them because they have done you wrong, maybe. Whatever is the reason, you are actually not thinking about this person. Okay, even thinking. With the Two of Wands energy, you are moving forward, because you just want stability, happiness, abundance, and all the success in your life, which is beautiful. What is this Three of Wands here? Temptation. Eight of Cups, Knight of Swords. Yeah. Okay, this is the vibe I'm getting for so many readings. Like, you have felt that connection in the past, and you have maybe asked for the commitment or something like that, and this person didn't ready for give you to that commitment, and they were not ready, and that's why you feel stuck, and you walked away, and now they want communication. Knight of Swords, they want communication after a long period of time, I'm feeling, for some of you. And but they want communication, like face to face communication with you. Okay, that's why they are planning travel. That is the reason. Okay, so what is this Fool here? What is this Fool here? If they really want to take a chance, let's see. Magician. Wow, they really want to take a chance. Eight of Pentacles, Page of Pentacles. Okay, yeah, they want to manifest you. They want to put in the work in the connection. They want to give you that tangible, that thing which you were wishing for in the past. Now they're ready. They want to give you that solid connection. Okay, they want to take a risk, actually, for you, because now they are not afraid of the society, law and enforcement and rules, like regulations. No, they just want their happiness, which is with you. This is the vibe I'm getting. What is this King of Pentacles want to do? I'm feeling that the person is very stable and grounded. They're trying to be the grounded person, like the mature person. Knight of Wands. Ooh. Hierophant. Five of Cups. Yeah. So Aries, I'm feeling that this person really had gone through some kind of transformation with the transformation card present here. Okay, and I'm feeling that this person is yeah, they are crying. They're crying that yes, you were right, Aries, you were right. Now they realize that yeah, you were right at that time, and they are actually desiring about you. They are wishing for that intimate connection with you, and at the same time they want marriage. Like they want to do that intimacy with the right, in a right way, like after marriage or something like that. So they have planned a very traditional marriage for you. Wow. They are going to plan. First they will tell you that yeah, I'm sorry. With this 5 of Cups energy, they are very sorry for what they have done with you, and they want communication with you about that topic. Okay, let's see what is this transformation here. They're desiring for you, because temptation with the wow. Ooh, 2 of Cups. Wow, beautiful. They are desiring for you. Queen of Swords. Okay, 9 of Wands. So now they are desiring for you. Okay, before you were wishing for them, and they know that connection is very strong. They now realized. Okay, after that transformation period, after that solo journey of themselves, they have realized the power of your presence in the connection. Okay, wow, it's beautiful. So with the Queen of Swords and the 9 of Wands, I'm feeling that now you are resisting this person. Now you are trying to be cold, maybe logical, practical, because Queen of Swords, no emotions, no feelings, and with the 9 of Wands, you have your guard up too much. Okay, so this is a half for you, Aries. I hope this helped. See, 9 of Cups, wish fulfillment. So if this is your wish fulfillment and you are doing this purposefully, consciously, your person is coming back. Your person is coming back. Okay, so this is a half for you, Aries. I hope it helped. If it is, you can give this video a thumbs up, and you can subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Also, you can share it with your friends and family if you find it helpful, and you can give me your suggestions in the comment section down below. So yeah guys, bye.